Hi, welcome to the Lucky Homestead. Today I'm going to be making zucchini muffins. Everyone was wanting, after I posted them on Instagram, everyone was wanting the recipe. So I posted it on Facebook, but for those who don't follow us on Instagram or Facebook, I thought I'd just make them today. I'm so grateful that we have some awesome neighbors who share their zucchini because our chickens and turkeys are eating our zucchini. So we just got this one.
Can I be like you?
Are you mad at the zucchini?
No, it's just really hard.
Hey, you know what? If you cut that into fours, then you have a better place to hold your hands. Don't cut your thumb off.
I know.
And then you won't be so mad at the zucchini.
I like that better. That's a good idea.
I'm a ninja. Meanwhile, at the dinner stove,
I'm the stove master.
I am so grateful for these helpers. They're not always this helpful, but I'm really grateful for them today.
So you put the zucchini in and it's like magic. The batter is like super dry and gross and then it turns to this.
I am blessed with a girl who loves to bake, and I'm really, really glad because I don't love to bake. So I have cleaned off this porch probably twice today. These little demon chickens and turkeys and a goose. I got some new yarrow from my awesome friend, and I got some more feverfew from that same awesome friend, and some comfrey. So I'm really hoping that we can get the chickens to leave this alone for a few minutes. I think the plan is tonight to try and get them back down to their chickshaw and leave my stuff alone. Man! It's amazing to me how quickly I'm falling in love with these girls. I am just really loving having them here on the property, on the homestead. Really, really awesome to have the milk available. I'm learning how to milk. Our friends over at Art and Homesteading came over and he was milking Apple for us just to kind of see the difference, and they may help us if we ever have to go out of town. So he got more milk than I did, and that was a little bit sad, but gosh, he's been milking for how long? I've been milking for exactly 1 week. So we did buy a different tarp yesterday so we can get a better tarp set up on this, one that we can kind of tie down and make it a little bit of a better structure.
Guess what? I can have it today. Eat it, my dinner.
So good.
Hot.
Is it good? Emma's amazing. Paleo pumpkin. No! Paleo zucchini muffins. I do love paleo pumpkin muffins, can you tell? Nom 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 nom.
He just fell over.
He just died, Emma. Thank you for coming along today with us on this crazy adventure that we like to call homesteading. Make sure to check out our Willow Creek Homestead Facebook page for this recipe. Really, really great. We kind of made it up by ourselves. We had a base recipe, but we made it paleo all by ourselves because we're fantastic. Anyway, we'll leave a link in the description to the Amazon store where we buy this awesome cassava flour, and hopefully we will see you tomorrow.
Nobody left me any. The sacrifices I make as a dad.